This is Fluency level, we're in 3rd grade still, and Module 3, Lesson 4. We're going to start by group counting, which is what we've been doing. We're going to get a little more complicated today, though, because we're doing 6s to 70, 7s to 6s to 60, I apologize, 7s to 70, 8s to 80, and 9s to 90, which means it's going to be a little bit more challenging going up and coming back down. What I'm going to ask you to do is try to set a rhythm with me as we're doing it. Say it together. If you got lost, practice it a few times on your own. Maybe write down those numbers so that you remember them, and then practice again. So I want you to continue to practice this so that it becomes really second nature. And we'll see how I do, because I actually might mess up too. And if we do, we know we're all not perfect. Alrighty, let's start right here with 6s. We'll be counting by 6s to 70 to 60. I keep saying that. We're going to go up to 60, we'll stop, and then we'll go back down. Alrighty, so let's go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and there we are. That wasn't so bad, right? I was concentrating so hard I was afraid I'd go past it. Let's start at 60 and go back down. 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. Hopefully I didn't miss anything on that. Alrighty, we've done that. Let's look at counting by 7s to 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Alrighty, and back down from 70, 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. Excuse me. Alrighty. 8s to 80. Let's try that one. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Alrighty, let's go back down from 80. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. I hope I got that right. I feel like I might have left a number out. If I did, you can just put that in where it belongs. All right, and then let's go ahead and go on to our 9s. 9s to 90. Let's see if we can do it. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. That one, in my mind, I have my little patterns set, so that's a little bit easier for me. Let's go down from 90, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. All right, so that's that. We'll practice that and work hard on that. All right, on to the next page. We're going to look at these numbers. I want you to be thinking right away as you look at each one, oh, I know the answer to that, and be ready to say it. So we'll start here. 6 times 2 equals, and you should have said 12. 12 divided by 6 equals, and you should say 2. See the relationship here? The 6 times 2 equals 12, and then 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So we're just using these numbers here. It's part of a fact family. 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Again, these related facts here that we can put together. E times 4 equals 24. Oh, changing it up a little bit. You should have said 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Okay, again, just working with these facts that work together. We've got one more page of this. We're looking at G times 2 equals 18. So G would be, well, 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 divided by 2 equals H, and H equals 9. 16 equals I times 2. Again, just switching up the order, still working with facts that you should know. I there would be 8, because 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 divided by 8 equals J, so J would be equal to 2. 45 is equal to 5 times, well, K equals 9 in that case, and 45 divided by 9 equals M, so M is equal to 5. Good work, and you are finished with this fluency here.